Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Honor Watch 6 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change these straps on this watch. So let's get started. And if you want to change these straps, first thing you will need to do is to remove the old ones. To do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of your watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever you can pull on. And this lever can be pulled towards the middle of the strap, and it basically releases the strap from the watch once you pull on it. So if you grab it and pull on it, you can release the strap from one side, and then you can pull it out from the other as well. Quite simple and fast. Sometimes the tension on the lever is quite high, so be careful when you're doing it to not break your fingernail, for example. And here we have the straps and our watch, and this mechanism is quite simple. Basically you have pins on each side of the strap that are locked in right here on the holes on each side of the watch. And when you pull on the lever, it basically retracts this one pin, allowing you to pull out the strap on one side, and then you can take it out from another as well. And to put the straps on, you grab the straps, you grab the watch, you take the side opposite from the lever, this one, you insert it into a hole on the watch, then you pull on the lever like this, so adjust it so it's close to the hole on the other side, pull on the lever, push it in, release it. Quite simple as well. You take the strap, you insert it on one side, like this, adjust it like that, pull on the lever and push it in. If you push it too far, it will skip, so be careful about that. I just did that. So again, pull on the lever, push it in, again, it skipped. Oh, this time it should be good. This one is struggling with me. Come on, it shouldn't be that hard. Actually, it should be quite simple, so don't fight me. Oh, this time it went in. So as you can see, sometimes it can be a bit of a struggle, but we have it. We have our straps attached again, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.